Hi there, today's snack for my Ghanaian toddler. Refreshing drink, I gave her blue skies, pineapple, ginger, fruit juice. I also gave her Boss Baker chocolate cake for her cups, one Pascal Greek yogurt. I deep fried Sierra chicken steak for her proteins. I gave her jouet, which is a popular snack here in Ghana made from roasted corn or rice with peanuts and spices. I cut out heart-shaped watermelon and mangoes. I also gave her one tangerine for her fruit, garnished or decorated it with some fruit pigs and grapes, one laughing cow cream cheese, and two soft candies for her treat. With a water bottle, we are done. Thanks for watching.